What up, Tube? Alright, we're inside the Supra. I guess we'll call this stage 1 of our E85 upgrade. That's my glove box, holds my AEM Infinity EGT gauge. Has some stuff apart. What we did is we installed our BTI 3.5 inch touchscreen. That's going to read everything from here and display it onto the screen over there. Alright, so very simple installation. BTI thought of everything. You can see behind the gauge here, it is a plug and play. They send you the cable, plugs right into the back. I have it mounted. You can see here it uses a 52 millimeter style gauge pod on the backing, but it is a 3.5 inch square screen. The adapter for mounting it came from Autoextrude. They make it 3D model, fits right into the back. Have some picture stills from me installing that. Very simple. As you can see, it removes. It goes in the Mark III Supra OEM ashtray compartment area. So you remove the ashtray, you remove the metal plate in the back, and it screws into those two screws and holds in place. You slide the gauge through. Very simple. Run your cable, and as you can see, the cables ran through here. Excuse the mess, got to clean all that up still. Kind of wound it up and tied it up so it's out of the way. That's just temporary. And you'll see here, this is the additional extension you need to buy. So you need to purchase this cable in addition to the gauge. This will, if you don't have the CAN bus adapter already hooked up in your harness. This was a custom harness we built, so we didn't wire this in. So I just pinned this in, and it's very simple, and BTI sends great instructions. It's a CAN high, CAN low, white and green, pins right into your AEM Infinity harness connector. And then you find ground and end power, 12 volt ignition power. Again, that's just temporary. Just want to make sure everything works properly. It's already been tested. It lights up just fine. It works. So there you go. And we're going to button everything up, and then we'll show you what it looks like. Alright, got all the wiring buttoned up. Everything's put back together. I also installed this stereo right here, or the radio. It's a new Kenwood. It's got Bluetooth and stuff in it. I like it. It was a Christmas present from the wifey about 2 years ago. It took a little while to get in, but it's in. You can see a little bit better here on the, a little bit better on the Autoextrude plate that goes in there. And this is the BTI 3.5 inch screen. And right here is a little microphone for said Bluetooth. And this is not a nitrous button. It is actually my horn. This car did not have a functioning horn. And here in Texas, you gotta pass state inspection for safety, which is important. So coming up on this year's registration, went ahead and added a horn button. This is a Sparco backing plate with 2 buttons. I cut one of them off, and it's all wired in. The center ring inside of here for the Nardi horn button doesn't work too well. It was oxidated. I had to take it out. Just wasn't in good shape, so we decided to go this way. It's got an accordion wiring harness that are wired in. So when you steer, just root, root. So kind of like a drag race car, but not the prettiest setup, but you know what? It works. I like it, and it works. Got a horn on there from Hella, so now I can honk at people when they cut me off or when I pass by them. Let's fire this up and get a good look at the new screen here. so you can see the screen there. Sorry for the pause. Turned off the shop lights to get a little bit better lighting. You know, the screen is a little bright, but you can toggle through different settings, and it shows everything that the AEM Infinity sees. A few different screens. We'll mess with that later. Just want to give you an idea what it looks like, and a little preview of there's the Supra inside. Sorry, the LED lights are a little bright for this camera, but you get the idea. We'll go a little more into detail at a different date. Logging out for the night. God bless.